Welcome to Dart tutorial videos presented by Kinder Morgan. These tutorials are intended to provide basic instruction in the use of Dart and its capabilities. While the pipeline used in a video may not be your pipeline of choice, the concepts being taught will apply to all Dart pipelines unless otherwise noted. This Dart How Do I video will cover logging into Dart. Our learning objectives for this video are: identify the internet website that begins the Dart login process, determine which Kinder Morgan asset the user wishes to log into, and successfully input user ID and password to log into Dart. To begin, you will have to navigate to the Kinder Morgan Natural Gas Pipelines webpage. The web address is http://pipeline.kindermorgan.com. Once you have arrived at the Kinder Morgan Natural Gas Pipelines webpage, you should see this on your screen. On this webpage, across the top of the page, you will see Interstate, Midstream, and Expansion Projects in red. These words act as interactive links to other Kinder Morgan web pages. If you hover over the word Interstate, you will get a list of Kinder Morgan interstate pipeline and storage assets. If you hover over the word Midstream, you will get a list of Kinder Morgan midstream assets. And finally, if you hover over the word Expansion Projects, you will get a list of active Kinder Morgan expansion projects. Within each one of those drop-down lists, you can select a Kinder Morgan asset or expansion project, and you will be directed to the appropriate, subsequent Kinder Morgan website. For this demonstration, we will use the Interstate drop-down list. From the Interstate drop-down list of assets, select the pipeline you wish to conduct business on. For our demonstration, we are going to select the NGPL pipeline. If you are selecting a legacy Kinder Morgan pipeline, in this case NGPL, the next page that comes to the screen is this Kinder Morgan portal page. On the left of the page, there is a list of choices. Hover over and click on Customer Activities, which is the first option you will see. This action will bring up an application username and password login screen. Enter your Kinder Morgan provided username, tab to the password line and enter your password, and make sure the log on to line reads KMDMZ. If it does not, click on the down arrow next to log on to for a pick list and select KMDMZ. Click on OK to complete the login process. If you select a legacy El Paso pipeline, in this case TGP, the next page that comes to the screen is this Kinder Morgan pipeline portal page. In the upper right-hand corner, click on Login. This action will bring up an application username and password login screen. Enter your Kinder Morgan provided username, tab to the password line, and enter your password. And make sure the log on to line reads KMDMZ. If it does not, click on the down arrow next to log on to for a pick list and select KMDMZ. Click on OK to complete the login process. If this is the first time you are logging into Dart, your username and password will be the same, and you will need to change your password. Passwords must be 7 or more characters, alpha and numeric, all lowercase, and the password cannot contain special characters such as £sign or $sign. If your login to Dart was successful, you will be brought to this opening screen in Dart. Please note the navigation panel on the left upper side of the screen. You are now logged into Dart and ready to conduct business. Thank you for viewing this Dart tutorial video. Should you have any questions about this DART application or tutorial video, please contact your scheduling representative. To learn more about using Kinder Morgan's transportation system, DART, view our other available DART tutorial videos.